everybody, it's Bozo here, and today is this is going to be the last snowstorm of 2018, of the season actually, because we might get stuff in like December, like last year. And so, it is really coming down, and in just a minute, so just like an hour, it went from like non-sticking to like blizzard-like, and it's crazy. And something even more rare, thundersnow. I heard like a big rumble. I thought it was like a big wind gust or something, but it happened to be a rumble of thundersnow. And that is crazy. That stuff is very rare. That happens, I can't explain it because I'm not a meteorologist. So, the snow is coming right towards our window. I remember one other time that we had it, I think it was in February, that the power lines were hanging very, very low because the snow was very heavy and was sticking to the power lines. But the next morning it was nice and sunny out, and then it was melting off and all the snow fell to the ground. And that was one of the craziest ones, but this is actually even more crazier. I think the last time I got thundersnow was, maybe when I was a baby? I don't know, I'm not so sure. Maybe I wasn't even born. Maybe my parents were still in Africa. Well, let's see. Here's what it looks like in the backyard. And my little Godzilla action figure is getting really covered. And so the trees are drooping, and look at this, even our fallen tree that we had in October is still just laying there. I wonder how we're going to get that out when we move. Well, I wonder if it's going to still be there for 50 more years. Well, here's my basketball hoop. It's not getting that much in there. It looks like a basketball of snow in there. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm so glad that Andrea and Anna Kamish got back to India safe before the big snowstorm. They would have been, like, running all over the place in this storm. I feel bad for all the people walking and driving in this type of weather. I would never love to go this type of weather. Like that car over there. And Bonnie is here with me, watching the storm. And Bonnie is staying with me since she sold her Kenya house. I miss Kenya. Don't worry, Bonnie. We can visit them sometime. Well, you never know. Those flights may be $1,000. Oh, maybe not.